So guys, today we are going to see before writing a report, your project or report, what are the preparation you should know, means what are the points you should know. Okay, first you should write the report in a detailed format with the with consultation with your guide. Okay, and report should be online submission. That's why you should keep the report in the PDF format only. Okay, report sent by email, hard copy or post will not be accepted. Report should be the original work which is carried out by the students under the supervision of the guide. Report should not result with the guide's research or other students' research. Means you should not take anyone else's report and you should make it. Okay. That report should not have any kind of identification information. Okay, the name of the student, guide or the contact details should be removed from the report. The STS reference ID should be on the top of the report. Identifying information must also be masked, removed from the questionnaire, patient information sheet and informed consent form as well. Okay, you should remove all such things which identify as you. Okay, or your college or your guide's name, anything. Okay, you should mask name of the student or guide, address or contact details of the student or the guide, telephone numbers, emails, acknowledgement section with the individual names. Okay, at any cost your name or your guide's name or your college details, anything, your contact ID, email, everything should be removed for your report. Okay, and the report should be strictly written in the following format. Okay, reference ID, title, introduction, review of literature, aims and objectives, material and methods, observation and results, discussion, conclusion, summary, references. And other optional sections are suggestion and justification, questionnaire, study tool or patient information sheet, etc. can be also be added at the report. Informed consent form, blank informed consent form in English language only should be attached with the report. Okay. See the format. It should every student must follow the same format. Okay. Next, result must be presented in the form of graph, figures or tables. The different sections of the report should not be combined. Okay, for example, results and discussion should not be combined. Means while writing result, no, you should just write the result. You should not discuss there. Okay, if you discuss that, it will become different thing. Okay, incomplete report or reports not in the prescribed format will be rejected automatically. Okay. Next, the result paper can be of 20 to 40 pages. Okay, with the file size of 2 MB. Okay, it should be of 2 MB, not more than 2 MB. Okay, all the graph, figures and tables should be included in the same. Avoid adding photographs and pictures because their size increases. Okay, the report is prepared as a single file containing as an anonymized blank format of any performa, questionnaire, case record forms, consent form or any other tools, format of the data collection sheet used for the research. Okay, there is no provision for separate submission of these format tools. Okay, see, if you are submitting a report, no, informed consent and what are the questionnaires you prepared, everything should be added in the report itself. You cannot submit 2 or 3 PDFs. Okay, everything should be in a single file PDF format less than 2 MB. Okay. Next thing, if there are any minor changes, you should mention in the report itself. Okay, and you should give justification like why you brought that minor changes, and the minor changes will not be permitted. After submission of the report, you can visualize like what all you have done. After you click the final submission button, then only the report will be completely filled and finally submitted to the portal. Okay. And if in case required, you also have an option to resubmit your report only once. Okay, means if there any problem during final submission, you can change everything only once. Okay, only one chance is given. Next, after clicking the final submission, you will receive an email from the ICMR STS that is for successful submission within 48 hours. Okay, if you didn't receive within 48 hours, you can contact the below ID, that is stshRD2017@gmail.com. Okay. The STS report will be rejected under the following circumstances. If the student upload identifying information, name, contact details, anything, if there is present, it will get rejected. If the student reference ID is missing from the report, okay, that reference ID is there, no, like 2023, some ID will be there. That ID, if it is not there, it will get rejected. If the STS report is not prepared as an ICMR format, okay, that's why you should strictly follow the ICMR format. Otherwise, it will get rejected. For example, if in the you mixed like review of literature and reference are not provided in separately, then it will get rejected. Okay, if 2 or more sections of ICMR format have been combined together, example, results and discussion are presented together, or introduction and review of literature are not written separately. Okay, for if you didn't follow format, it will get rejected. report is incomplete, then also it will get rejected. Sample size is substantially reduced without adequate justification. See, you have said sample size is of 100, but you took only sample size of 5 members, then it is not right. That's why your report will get rejected. Major deviations from the proposed study objectives or sample size or research plan, then also it will get rejected. You should not make major changes or deviations. If the work is not found by the original, or if it is copied from someone else, or too many sources are taken, then it will get rejected. Okay, it should be of your own thing. It should be original work by you, and it should be hard work of yours. Okay. If the data is presented under the result found by the fictitious or cooked up or copied, then it will get rejected. Okay, means if there is no much content and you simply unnecessary wrote, simply pulled the same thing again and again, then it will get rejected. Okay, appropriate and timely ethics committee approval has not been obtained. Okay, you should obtain ethics committee approval once you are you got a chance. Okay, and that ethics committee approval should be less than 2 months from the final submission of your report. Okay. Ethics committee approval is signed by the principal or chairperson by the ethics committee or membership is not as per ICMR guidelines. Okay, you should follow ICMR guidelines. Otherwise, your ethics committee permission is not approved. Okay. Next, ethics committee has given a provisional approval. There is difference between provisional and final approval. Okay, if the guide is a member of ethics committee, then also it will get rejected. Attestation form is incomplete or not signed by the authorized, not stamped, not dated, mismatch is there, then it will get rejected. Any other reason is found for suitable for reviewers or competent authority of ICMR. Okay, even though everything is correct, if the person who is correcting your report, if he founds like there is some kind of falsity in your report, even he might can reject your report. Okay, that's it. See you in the next video. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. This was the preparation before writing the report. Okay, next video we will see how to write a report. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.